Hey guys, I hope you all are well. So, today's video is going to be a short tutorial on how to install mods in Batman Arkham Knight. First, open any browser and type Nexus mods for Batman Arkham Knight. Then, click on the first link. It should take you to the official Nexus mods site. You have to sign in order to download mods. Download any mod of your liking. Then, go to your mod and extract the file. I have downloaded many mods, so I will use a suit mod known as Hell Batsuit. Extract the file, follow me. Do as I am doing, and your mod should be installed. Remember, you need to erase the dot in the file for it to work properly. And there you have it. Your mod is successfully installed. If you found this video helpful, consider giving us a like and subscribe. It helps me stay positive. See you guys in the next one.